How to sign up for Bigo Live. Ready to create your Bigo Live account and dive into live streaming community. Signing up is quick and offers several convenient options on your iPhone. Let's get you set up. After installing, tap on the Bigo Live app on your home screen to open it. You'll see various sign-up options: Google, Facebook, and Apple ID. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. Using a social account often speeds up the process. Let's go with Sign with Facebook. Follow the on-screen prompts for a chosen method. If using a social media account, you'll typically authorize Bigo Live access. For phone number, you'll enter it, then a verification code sent via SMS. Once done, you're in. Congratulations, you've successfully signed up for Bigo Live. Now you can start exploring. Like this video and subscribe for more Bigo Live tutorials.